All right, I know we always hear these things like, oh my God, I have 2 minutes to leave and I need to do my hair, blah, 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 but I have to leave at 6:14. I have to leave at 6:15. A little bit of zhuzh with the hot brush. I also have the wrong bra, so you guys have to tell me if you see my bra straps sticking out, okay? This is my, like, do we like the choker? I don't know. I'm going, I don't know what's going on. And then these are the shoes that we're wearing. This, we have the smallest barrel of the hot brush. And then we're just gonna roll it up. Hold on, I gotta fix this. Do I look good in green? I don't even know. I need to change my bag because my bag is red. It's 6:15. Fuck. Okay. Well, we're gonna do this in a couple really big sections, and I'm gonna. If you get stuck, you guys, on the hot brush, pinch it at the root and pull it. You won't rip your hair. I promise. I don't know where these bruises keep coming from. Like, it's actually starting to, like, freak me out a little bit. Covered in bruises. 6:17. Okay, this is the final look. We're gonna wear these sunglasses with it. It's 6:54.